The lessons from
Prime
the
Minister
pandemic,
Narendra Modi
however,
addressed the International
must not be
Conference
forgotten.
on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure today.
They apply
He spoke about the need to
not
ensure
only
resilience
public
of the
health
global
disasters,
system. He said we can rely on ancient wisdom to fight today's challenges.
If we deeply understand this ancient wisdom, we can reduce the vulnerabilities of our current global system. On one hand, the pandemic has shown us how impacts can quickly spread across the world. And on the other hand, it has shown how the world can come together to fight a common threat.
The Prime Minister also spoke about the pandemic and the lessons that have been learnt. The Prime Minister said a disaster in one part of the world can quickly spread across the world.
The lessons from the pandemic, however, must not be forgotten. They apply to not only public health disasters, but other disasters as well. We have a looming climate crisis. As the UN Environment Chiefs recently said, there is no vaccine for the climate crisis. It will take sustained and concentrated efforts to mitigate climate change.
The Prime Minister also spoke about countries working together on creating infrastructure.
Cooperation is a must for ensuring the resilience of the global system. Infrastructure is developed for the long term. If we make it resilient, we will prevent disasters not only for ourselves, but many future generations. We must have the capability and support to adapt global solution to the local context. Second, we must take stock of the performance of some of the key infrastructure sectors, particularly health infrastructure and the digital infrastructure that played a central role during the pandemic. What are the lessons from these sectors? And how can we make them more resilient for the future?
Climate change and its challenges also found a mention in the Prime Minister's speech.
In our quest for resilience, we are all in the same boat. As the pandemic has reminded us, no one is safe till everyone is safe. We have to ensure that we leave no community, no place, no ecosystem, no economy behind. Just as the fight against the pandemic mobilized the energies of the world's 7 billion people.
The International Conference on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure is an annual international conference of the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. It is organized to strengthen the global discourse on disaster and climate resilient infrastructure.
They apply